me, lady. How much should I look a sibling? Ugly period. 117 yen. But actually, I want to put in a smoothie as you cut them black. Awesome. The 4 green ones, 297. What is going on in this place? So hold on, if you need to tell me is one lime, 147 yen. I'm going to look in the head in another place here. If you come out to the market here, I need to come out to this market. One lime, 147 yen. Then I saw me well one lime. And you have a heart over there called people, come buy. Why? Market bad today. Watch you know now? Lord my God. One piece of sweet potato we don't know in a tan good, in a look 2 string bean and then put flowers. Give it straight. A turnip that? Is that turnip? Hey, some things that we take for granted. Look what in the something and then put flowers on it and I put about 397 yen for this. Then a sweet potato here can eat. I'll make a turnip this. Lord, me feel laugh. So corn, sweet pepper, 2 string bean, and 1 little sweet potato. 877 yen.
Me dying trials. Don't leave. Continue watching.
Konnichiwa. Hello. Wagwan my Ari fam. This is Katie from the One Big Ari family. And as many of you already know, I'm a Jamaican living in Japan because I've been sharing wonderful things about my experiences. But in this video, I will be sharing a little bit of the challenges we face as foreigners in a whole new world. Like, I can't get green banana. I can't get green banana. I'm going to ask them around the back if they have any green bananas, you know. Because if you stay long enough in this video, you will see that them actually have green bananas, but them just don't sell it like how we are used to it. So here what? Stick and stay. If you're new to the family, welcome. Please join the Iri family. If you are not new, I'm glad you come back. Alright? Don't go anywhere. Don't come off. Me see you now. Watch the video to the end.
Thing there on here, so fever grass, plantain, gungo peas, sorrel, ginger, turmeric, pine. Even flowers are be around here, so too.
No man. I'm jealous. Bad.
Tomatoes, garlic, tomato, pepper, pine, tomato, here, so blossom. See it here. See one more papaya. Oh no, look here, so. This is how the sorrel, you know, and it start to bear. You think I like me, I tell? It's the sorrel here, so look good. You see sorrel?
Yes. Auntie, please send some other sucker they come give me.
The sorrel start bear. Yeah, man. Pepper. Carrot. See now? Yes. Now me go run to where my flowers in there, man. Yeah, man. Sure. You can't look and see guinea pan dirt like carpet. It's not good. Sweet and sour guinea. See my flowers them now, 10 o'clock. Neem, the herbal tree, you don't hear about neem. See it here. All of these, see them here. You know how much version of leaf of life. See them here, so? All of this version. Ball of fire. Leaf of life. Mint. Oi, time, coolie time, this thing call it. Coolie time. See one more 10 o'clock here, so. I see different things. Mini cactus. Yeah. See one more ball of fire, take time to come up. Yes, all mint in a bottle. Yeah, everything they use, everything that take time. See how long pepper here so? Oi, everything, everything. Come here so now come look on the tree. Look how the tree pretty. The guinea tree, look there, quite big and pretty. And it don't worth a thing. Sweet and sour guinea. Me know that. See a lovely 10 o'clock, yeah? 10 o'clock. Oh, look over here, so. Cantaloupe, it all a blossom. Cantaloupe. Cantaloupe, me dear, it all a blossom. See there? The blossom there, cantaloupe. Yeah. Come here, so now. The great vervine when you hear about. The cure for the corona. See it here? Me a drink it and me a plant it too. Pepper. Yeah. Tomato. Yes. Sweet pepper and hot pepper in a one. Will it more pepper here so. Pepper and tomato. Then catch all about. Will it pepper. All callaloo too. Hey, them a reap the callaloo already. How are you yourself? Yeah man, this is it.
Why somebody could tell me why the green banana are for deer so? So 2 green banana, 1 orange, and what that one about this so? Grapefruit and 1 apple for 780 yen. As much as we miss the green banana, you know me say why they not sell green banana? They not sell it for deer? No, watch how them package it nice too. Most that.
Yep, so there you have it, my Irie fam. Foreigner no better rose, but we know how to turn our hands, make fashion. We know how to be creative. We know how to be resourceful. We know how to make ourselves comfortable in uncomfortable situations because we are Jamaicans and we are resilient. Thank you for making it this far to the video. See you next time. Boom bang, I'm out. Love God, live good, bless upon yourself.